I have been wanting something to get me into the holiday spirits, and I wanted something that allows me to trace silhouette patterns. I have seen similar products on TV, however I noticed all of them needs to be plugged in to work. I wanted something that was light, portable, and without being tethered to a power cord. This decoration flashlight serves my exact needs. Let me unbox it and show you how it works. First off, everything that comes from Amazon is packed pretty nice. So let's start out by unpacking this. First thing I noticed that it comes with 12 slides, a charging cable, a rechargeable battery, a mini tripod, and then the flashlight. It has two switch powers. First is a single light, the other one is the oscillating light. It takes a regular tripod mount, and the battery is removable. Then I'll show you how to remove the slides. They only go in one way. As you can see, there's a notch in the middle, so it'll only slide in one way. The first switch allows it to be the silhouettes stable, so you can trace them if you'd like, or you can flip the switch and it goes to the oscillating one. Comes with 12 different slides for holiday decorations. First one's birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, Halloween, Christmas, 4th of July, Valentine's Day, and clowns. So this is very fun to use. I am intrigued by watching it as it goes and works, and I believe any kid would enjoy watching these too. So I recommend this highly. So thanks for watching.